So to start the slide, it's the first fret on the E string, so lowest string on a 4. Just hit it once. Then you're gonna slide up to the 10th fret. So hold it out, catch it with your ring finger, and then so alternate between 10 and 9 on the A and the E string. So it would be you come all the way down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back up. If you have the 5, you could play it here, but it doesn't sound the same because you don't have that slides in on it. So even if you're playing a 5 string, I recommend going straight down to here for the. Good luck with it. Any questions, leave it in the comments, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.